Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your AirPods 4 to an iPhone. Let's get started. So as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and then go to this tab which is named Bluetooth. Here, click on the slider to enable it. As a next step, we would need to take the case with our earbuds inside and then just open it. Now we would need to wait a little while until we will get the pop-up message on our screen. Here is it how it looks. Now click connect. And this is it. Your earbuds has been successfully connected. Here you can do a little setup of your AirPods by choosing some of these settings. For example, announce calls and notifications. Then we can control our AirPods by moving our hand. Or here we can also see the charge of the earbuds and of the case. Now we click continue. Next thing we got here, special offer. I will click not now, and this is it. Now you can enjoy your favorite music with your new AirPods. That was it for today. I hope this video helped, and thanks for watching.